Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So after a long wait, I have finally made the channel for reviews. I already have reviewed the Redmi Note 10 Pro over there, and the reviews of the Galaxy A52, A72 and LG Wing are currently under development, with many other reviews and unboxings planned for the future. So please guys, I urge you to go and subscribe right now. It will be the first link in the description and is also present over here in the iCards. Now coming to the Galaxy S21, Samsung has for the first time ever mentioned the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition on their official website. This was done by Samsung Mexico's official website. As you can see, this is a very clear mention of the S21 Fan Edition. In Mexican it said, "No more about the S21 FE." I hope that is the translation because I personally don't know Mexican. But if you click on this link, it would go to the Galaxy S21 series page, which would be the place where the S21 FE would be available to purchase. So this could very likely be a marketing stunt, giving us a teaser and confirmation about the S21 FE, which holds the model number of SMG990B, and according to latest rumors, Samsung is planning to launch this smartphone in the upcoming few months. You could expect this smartphone to take place of the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra in Samsung's Summer Unpacked event, where we are also expecting Samsung to launch the Z Fold and the Z Flip3. We also had the official renders released for the Galaxy S21 FE couple of weeks ago, but I wasn't able to cover it that time because I was sick with 105 degrees Celsius. Yes, I'm fine now, but guys, on that note, please stay home, especially my Indian brothers. Please guys, just stay safe and stay home, get vaccinated if you can. So this will be the Galaxy S21 FE. The same design language continues from the S21 Ultra, but instead of the actual frame rising up, we only have the back plastic panel trying to mimic the S21 Ultra, where the frame rises up, but here the frame does not rise up. It is only the back panel, which is made up of quote-unquote frosted plastic, and that is nothing more than marketing bullshit for high quality matte finished plastic. We also have triple cameras inside of it and a flashlight right next to it, mostly mimicking the Galaxy S21, and just like that Samsung logo on the bottom. We then have the Type-C slot, the speaker grill and the SIM tray at the bottom, but guys, once again no headphone jack. At the front we have a 120Hz display of 6.4 inches with a teeny tiny hole punch. So basically this is a slightly bigger S21 but even cheaper. Let me know guys your thoughts about the S21 Fan Edition in the comment section. Guys, once again subscribe to both of the channels, hit the like button if you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.